Hello everyone, thank you for choosing to watch my video. My name is Andra Baragan and I'm the founder of On Track Digital, a conversion optimization agency that is specialized on e-commerce businesses and helping them grow and scale and reach their objectives in a more profitable and sustainable way. Today we're going to talk a bit about communicating with clients and communicating with stakeholders, because I think you really need to be able to get buy-in from your clients or from your stakeholders in order to have the time needed to actually run a proper and thorough optimization program. Whenever I've seen optimization programs fail, it was because they didn't get enough time, besides all the other issues that might occur. One of the biggest factors in this is that people expect overnight results, and it's your duty as an optimization specialist to inform and educate clients and stakeholders that, and your employers, whoever it is, that's who I'm referring to when I'm saying stakeholders. It's your responsibility to inform them and educate them that is not a magic formula that will get the results overnight, but it's actually a long-term process that involves a lot of research, a lot of testing. Failing can turn into gold if used the right way. So basically that's what we'll talk about today, and I hope you can find some good value in the presentation. Okay, so I was mentioning the testing master file that we use. So basically we list down all the testing hypotheses one after the other. This is from the conversion research. We put here the page URL, the experiment name, the goal of that test, the hypothesis, and then also the pre-calculation, the pre-test calculation on how much traffic we need, how long it needs to run for the minimum detectable effect. And this helps us prioritize all the tests and make sure we're focusing on the right stuff. And then we're putting everything in this nice roadmap, so you can see for each week or each set of weeks that we're testing some specific tests. We're listing everything here. So this really eliminates the entire, what is the agency working on? What are the guys doing right now? So it's all super transparent, which you'll see. Transparency is key when dealing with any kind of stakeholder, whether it's your employer or a client, it doesn't matter. You need to be as transparent as possible with the work you're doing and to be as proactive as possible. So don't wait for them to ask what you're working on. Just make sure you have everything in a nice format that is a standard format that you use across the board with your clients. So just make sure you have all of that in place. And then this also, what it does, it ensures that the testing roadmap doesn't conflict with the development roadmap. So you can coordinate the two and just make sure that things are where they need to be. Now, I also wanted to show you really quickly the first page of our testing sheet. So this is what we use to get stuff approved with the clients and then also to present our results. Why this is important is because it really gives everyone that's going through the testing file, let's say, it gives them a very good understanding of what's tested, what's being tested, why, and what the results should be. Why are we testing it? But then also it gives you a very good understanding if you're focusing on the right things or not. In this case, if you go ahead and answer these 4 questions that we have here, you'll be able to separate a lot of good tests from average or subpar tests. The first question is, what is the problem you are trying to fix? So if you can't answer this question, definitely you're not on the right track. Then how is your solution going to fix the problem? So what's the opportunity here? Why are you testing what you're testing? And how is this actually helping solve the problem? Then I spoke about the objectives and the optimization program. You need to remind yourself every time that the optimization you're doing is in line with the clients or with the business objectives. So just make sure that this is helping them reach those objectives. And then also answer the question of what data sources you use to come up with your solution. Very critical, because you want to have data that's also backing up your backing up your hypothesis, and it can be quantitative or qualitative data. So it can be from user testing, it can be from analytics, it can be from customer surveys. Just make sure you answer this, and then you'll have a really nice thing to show your clients, and then there's not going to be any kind of question on why you're testing stuff and how you're testing it. And you'll see your life will be much improved by using this. I hope you found good value in the presentation. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me on LinkedIn or on our website. It's ontrack.agency. Use the chat there, and usually you can find me or someone else on my team, but we'll get back to you super fast. And you can also just reach out to me at andra@ontrack.agency. So enjoy the rest of the conference. It was a pleasure showing some of this stuff to you. There's a lot more to go through, but we also have a lot more presentations to go through. So let me know if you have any questions and if you found good value in the presentation. Thank you. Bye.